So I'm going to go through some seated stretching exercises. So you would do this after you've done your workout. So the first exercise we're going to do is a good stretch for our back. So we're going to lift up our arms nice and high, interlock our fingers, and push up through the shoulders. Our posture is nice and upright. Our feet are touching the floor, and our spine is nice and elongated. You're going to hold this stretch for about 10 seconds and then slowly lower your arms back down. So the second exercise I'm going to show you is going to stretch our obliques, which run down the side. So you're going to lift one arm up over the body, slowly side bend down, come back into the middle, and slowly stretch to the other side. Now, if you struggle to have your arms over your head, an alternative option would be just to stay with the arm down low, side bend down, back into the middle, and slowly down to the other side. Your second option is again to do a torso twist. So arms in the middle, slowly rotate to the side, gently back into the middle, and slowly out to the other side. Again, with these, you're not holding for 10 seconds, but just repeat about 3 times each side. So the next exercise we're going to do is stretching our upper back. So you're going to interlock your fingers and push forward. Your chin is now going to lower down close to your chest, and you're pushing forward, so really squeezing in between the shoulder blades. And push, and again we're holding this stretch for about 10 seconds. Really squeezing in between the shoulder blades, chin down to chest. And when we finish, your chin raises back up, and we're now going to open our chest nice and wide to stretch our chest. So as we open wide, our thumbs are to ceiling and our chin is up to the ceiling. So a big wide stretch for our chest. Then you're going to place your hands behind your back, in the small of your back, and just push your chest slightly forward. And then relax our arms back down by our sides. So our next exercise is going to stretch our shoulder. So one arm is going to go across our body. You're then going to lock up with your other arm and look over your shoulder to stretch your neck. So you're stretching your shoulder and your neck at the same time. And again, you're holding this stretch for about 10 seconds and then come back into the middle, and you're going to change to the other side. So one arm comes across the body, hook up with your other arm and look over your shoulder. Again, holding this stretch for about 10 seconds and then slowly coming back down. Now, for those of you that have stiff backs, a really good stretch for that is to do a seated back stretch. So both of your hands are going to place on your thigh, your chin is going to slowly lower down to chest, and you're going to push forward with chin and chest. So your spine now comes in a nice flat inline position. And again, we're holding this seated back stretch for about 10 seconds and then slowly peeling one vertebra at a time back up. Another good stretch for our shoulders is to do a nice shoulder roll. So we're just going to gently shoulder rolls back in this upright position, relaxing them down. The next stretch is going to stretch our hamstrings. So our seated hamstring stretch, dig our heel in, lean slightly forward on our bent leg, point our toe to the ceiling, or pull the toe in towards our body, and you'll feel that all the way down the back of the straight leg. In your hamstrings, you're going to change legs, switch to the other side, and again, lean slightly forward, pull that toe up towards the ceiling or in towards your body, and really push down and feel that stretch in that hamstring. Come back in. Your next exercise is going to help stretch the hips. So you're going to pull one knee in towards your body. Hold that position. Relax that leg down and change to the other side. Pull the other knee in close to your body and relax that leg down. Our final exercise to help us relax is to take a breath in through our nose, and we're going to shrug our shoulders up at the same time. And when you take a breath in through your nose, imagine you're smelling a big bunch of roses. And then you're going to breathe out. Imagine you're blowing out candles. Big breath out. So we'll repeat that. Big breath in, shrug up. Big breath out, relax down. Excellent, well done.